proper way to do a shoulder stretch. I usually grab and put their leg between my legs like this, support behind the knee. You want the forearm to kind of be at a downward slope. You don't want it to be parallel to the ground. You want to just gently stretch. They'll fight a little bit, kind of as they get tense and get to the point where they can't stretch anymore. Just relax. Let them relax. If you feel them relax into it, you can ask for a little more. You can do that up to 3 or 4 times depending on how willing they are to stretch. Ideally, you can get them to stretch, as far forward and down as you can to really let that shoulder get some tension out of it.